In today's video, I am going to teach you how to increase the speed of any online video up to 16x on Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, navigate to the online video you want to watch. This can be on a learning platform, a social site, or any page that uses an HTML5 video player. Make sure the video is visible on the page before you continue, because you will be interacting with the page that contains the video. Next, right-click anywhere on the video page. Try to right-click on an open area near the video if possible. A menu will appear. From that menu, select Inspect. This opens Chrome's Developer Tools panel, which lets you view and control certain parts of the web page. You are not downloading anything, and you are not changing the website permanently. You are only applying a playback setting in your own browser. Inside the Developer Tools panel, look along the top for different tabs. Click the one labeled Console. The console is a place where you can enter a short command that Chrome will run on the current page. Now move to the bottom of the console area and click the empty line next to the blue arrow symbol, which looks like a greater than sign. This is the input line where you will type the command. Type the following exactly. $video playback rate equals sign 16. After you type it, press the Enter key on your keyboard. The moment you press Enter, the playback rate for the video element on that page is set to 16 times speed. If 16x is too fast, you can use the same command and simply change the number. For example, you can set it to 3 for 3 times speed or 4 for 4 times speed, depending on what feels comfortable. When you are done, close the Inspect panel by clicking the X in the top right corner of the Developer Tools. Finally, press play on your video or resume it if it is already playing, and you should see the new speed in action. That covers everything you need to know.